All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, your next step is going to be to create the arms. So you're once again going to go to shapes, but this time you're going to go to arrows, and you're going to pick the two arrows to make. Now I'm going to say this is one way where you can be a little bit creative with this. I am going to show you using straight arrows. You can use like kind of, actually I think I'm going to try the bent up arrows. I did the straight arrows before, but I'm going to try the bent up arrows. So I'm going to create my bent up arrow. You could kind of play with any of them. It's probably going to have to be a little smaller. So I've got this and I've got it lined up here. So then I am going to, once again, I've already got my format options open. I am going to edit, copy, edit, paste, and then I am going to flip. Now, if I set this right here, it's in that space. So I'm going to need to move this down so that it is entirely in that space right there. So now, once again, I'm going to select both of them. I am going to get rid of my border. I am going to go back in. I'm going to select my interior one, and I'm going to make it white. And then, once again, select both of them. So you select one and hold shift to select the other one. I'm going to edit, copy, edit, paste, and I'm going to line them up. So I'm going to move that over so I line it up nice with that line. Now I'm going to go in and make this one white. I'm going to pull it so it lines up with the edge. I'm going to make this one blue. I'm going to pull it so it lines up with the edge. And there we go. Now I have my arms. So you can do the same thing with the straight arrows or bendy arrows, however you want. So there we go. Now I've got my arms. That is the next step.